Hello guys, welcome to Showcase AI. In this video, we are going to explore the video studio feature called Product Showcase Video. Let's see how this works. With the Product Showcase Video, you just need to upload any product and it will automatically create a professional product shoot for you. Now let's check the complete process. So in the left side of the menu, you can see the video studio. The third option is product showcase video. So simply select this option and it will redirect you to the page. Here you can see the editor where you can see the few options, which is first you just need to upload a product image, custom and auto option, upload personalized image with product to create a video. Now let's check one by one. Simply you just need to upload any product image and we are going to check the auto option first. So in the auto option, you just need to enter your product details, product name, product type, purpose. You can select like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, website hero section, e-commerce product, brand awareness video. So you can select any one of them. So as I'm going to select this product promo video. Now add style, we have add some style: minimum studio, white background, lifestyle scenes, home environment, outdoor nature, product and floating, and many of them is available. So I'm going to select this luxury setup and you can select the mood here too. I am going to select this luxurious mood and it will take your 0.25 credit to create one video. So now simply click on this and it will generate you the image first. And now we are going to check the custom one. Here you just need to type script according to your need, or if you don't have any script, you just need to simply click on this get AI idea. AI idea will take a few seconds to generate a script. It will check your product, what it is, and it will generate you the script according to your need. And now you just simply click on this. After reading all this script, if you want to modify it, you can modify it, and if you like the script, you just need to simply click on this generate button and your image will be added in the generating section. As you can check, our auto image is generated successfully, and now there is one option which is generate video. By the use of this image, you can generate a video, product shoot video. So now in the video generation, we have two option, custom one and the auto one. In the custom one, same goes, you can type any script according to your need, which is in your mind, or if you don't have any script, simply click on this get in AI idea. Simply click on this, it will generate you the script according to your need, and if you want to modify it, you can modify it. And there is a duration section, you can simply select the durations, and there is a music section. If you want to upload any music, you can simply select any music and click on confirm. There is an upload music option too, you can upload your own music too. And now simply click on this render video. It will take 3 credits from your credit section, and simply click on this render video option and it will generate a video for you. As you can check, our custom image is also generated, and you can use this custom image to generate some video too. So as we have already created a video from our auto one, so please wait for some time and our video is generating. Meanwhile, as you can check here, there's a upload personalized image with product to create a video. So here you can upload any image here. Like if you like the image and don't want to change anything in that, you can directly upload image here and create a video according to your need. So just please wait for a few seconds and our video is generating. So as you can check, our product shoot video is completed. As you can check, the product shoot video is completed. Simply, if you want to preview it, simply click on this and it will show you the preview of it. Here our prompt is, you can copy this prompt, you can download this video, you can copy this video link, and simply if you want to preview it, simply click on this preview button and you can check. This is how the video is generated. The video will be generated according to your prompt. This is if you want to modify this prompt, you can simply copy this prompt and regenerate a video according to your need. So this is how you can create a photo shoot from any product. If you want, you can upload any product here and type a script according to your need. You can use the auto section, custom section, and write a script and generate image, and then by the use of that image you can generate a video. So hope you like the video. Thank you.